We're in Mammoth, and we're gonna let the kids cook dinner for us and not tell them anything. Let's go to the grocery store.
Let's try oysters. Yeah. We're gonna need 2.
Asparagus.
Avocado from Mexico. That's hard. You want pineapple? Get chicken. No. Bring chicken. This one.
We're not doing ground beef.
Oh man. I don't.
4 of the New York strip steaks.
You're welcome, you guys.
Found the final.
What are you getting for dessert?
She got this. 3 beef one.
I took all my stuff.
Hallelujah. You guys go. Uh-oh. Xander, tell me when to pour it. Olivia, do you think it's plenty?
Not that we can find. Oh my god.
Ah, dang, we don't have lemon squeeze.
That's enough.
What does it look like?
Can I
What
use
does
it on
look
an
like?
avocado?
Yeah, boy. Ooh.
And I'm here.
It's so red. Now what?
Has to be mushy.
You could throw it in the trash. Looks so yummy. It just needs a little bit more time.
Until the pasta's done. Flash of olive oil.
A little bit more time.
We got steaks in.
I don't think this fits. Wait.
Why is that in the soup?
Is it ready?
This is a real man's tongues.
God. Thank you. Okay, that's it. I keep it wet.
I don't know if I like the red sauce pasta.
The pasta's done.
Oh, nice. Is that good? These appetizers done?
Those ones are.
Wait for us to be done, and then you can do the appetizer.
There you go.
It smells so good. Don't eat yet. We need everything.
Cut these
All the
avocados.
dinners we had. Avocado, cucumber, salad. It's gonna look
I
like
can't
this.
cut onion.
This is here right now. We're gonna need 6.
You have to cut these
Yeah,
parts.
I'll help.
Cut those parts
I
off.
know.
That's what I can't do. It's too hard.
I think I know.
That means your eyes are gonna get watery. Okay, there. I
Okay.
just need help on that part.
Okay, there.
Dinner's gonna sit with his is.
You know what that? My teacher said getting his passion. So,
All
I'm
right.
gonna walk into my class tomorrow and
shit.
say, hey everybody, I'm
What happened?
gay."
Actually, that's not even that bad.
There's
That's
three
how I
of
IT'd it.
There's 3 minutes.
Round 2.
That's better.
Hey, I'll eat that.
Yeah, that's better.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Good job.
Can I get some pasta?
Yes.
Yeah.
For me?
You give me one more. I only put one too.
Oh.